I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Then you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy 'cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should stay.
Alright, good afternoon, mis amigos. How are you? It's a new day and it's currently 3:30 that I'm starting this vlog. The first part that you see was me making my breakfast. So now I've got avocado toast. I got some sourdough bread yesterday for the first time in my life, and I have no idea how to cook that. So I was just trying, seeing online, trying. Did not even have a bread knife. Had to use a normal knife, which was really awful. But yeah, it's a new day. I've been basically since then I've been sitting over here in the balcony working. The sun's just gone out. It was a really sunny day today, and yeah, just been enjoying my time over here. I was actually working over here even yesterday, and I'm sad that I only realized that I can do that because I have free will. I can do whatever I want in world, but like I would just sit out here in the balcony and work, and I have to sit on the chair on the desk because that feels very constricted to me, and this feels a lot more open, and I prefer this form of working style. And so basically what I've been working on is that mat that we all know, obviously. My one client that had given me some work before has given me another project. It's again a short project. He is paying me little money for that, but he's given me a turnaround time of 2 weeks, but I want to get that done within the next 3 days, because if I get that done, it shows that okay, I can get stuff done within time of the highest quality, which will make him give me more work, and I need to earn more money to be able to make my rent this month. And yeah, so that's one thing. Second thing is that I am actually going to be flying out back to India on the 25th for my brother's wedding. So I have until then. So today is the 3rd of March, so I've got 22 days. 22 days to make my rent, 22 days to figure out what I'm doing next. So I have some pedestal or some authority to say, okay, I want to go back to the UK, I want to go back to London, because I know that I can give myself a shot, and that I have accomplished in the last 1.5 months that I was over there, and I didn't just waste them doing nothing. So we'll have to increase our efforts multiple folds for that. One thing that I'm really happy about is that we are actually able to sustain putting out a video every day. I don't want to jinx it yet, but for the last 3 days it's gone out at 8 a.m, which I'm really happy about. Like yesterday's video, I didn't shoot a lot, but still I was able to make 1.5 minutes content of just blabbering, and I put that out. I'm really happy that I did, and I did not second guess myself of should I not, because consistency is key. If I'm being consistent, that is really important for me, because with the kind of person that I am in life, I usually start a lot of things because I'm very curious about the world. I love to experiment. but I don't see the end of everything, which is a really bad quality, I suppose, for my own self. Yes, I cut my losses short easily, but I don't see end of a lot of things. So that, whether that's a new hobby, whether it's a new experiment, it's a new business, it's a new startup, it's a new hobby, it's anything new basically. And yeah, there are only a little few things that I've finished in my life. It's always given me a great exposure, a great environment. So yeah, so we want to see this through. We want to see what we can do and give it our all that we can. So I've got 22 days to prove that to my own self, which is a day more that you need for consistency. 21 days is the rule in psychology or whatever. And so yeah, just these 3 points. Nice day, getting this work done. Hopefully I want to get this done within the next 2 to 3 days. Apart from that, I also want to book at least one more photography gig. I have to move out of this apartment on the 8th of March. I'm trying to finalize my other apartment. I've had some success. Maybe I'll be able to book something, hopefully. If not, we'll be homeless, and that's fine. We've got some backup over here, thankfully, so won't be homeless, obviously. And yeah, not much to say other than that. Life's all good, life's all chill. And yeah, we'll give you any more updates that are necessary. Basically, another thing that I was thinking about, which I've actually forgotten now, was that I'm not actually just vlogging over here. I started this to document my own thoughts and my own processes as to what I'm thinking and what I think, seeing things around me, observing things, and that I'll overlay. So maybe we'll make that type of content a lot more, because just this giving updates every day feels very artificial, and I don't know why anyone would be interested in that. But people are always interested in gossip, so I don't know. But yeah, like the kind of videos I want to make are more about my own point of view, my own personality coming out of these, as to what I think when I observe the world and all those things. And so maybe we will be able to do that more. But yeah, that's it. With a lot of energy. Hopefully I'll see you again. Hi. Okay, this is a bit of an unscheduled recording, but you know how earlier I was talking about the reason I made this channel is to talk about feelings as and when they come, and my thoughts is what I want to document. And so right now is just working over here, and with that on screen I was playing some music, and I started playing this playlist by Ed Sheeran for the mathematics tool. And the first video on there is the video called the official tour wrap up videos. Basically, I don't know if you can see that or not, if it is actually angle right or not, but yeah, basically I was just watching that, and it's a really nice video actually, and it's really well made. And I was just thinking while watching the video, I'll link the video up here if I can in the description or the comments, whatever. I'm not really sure where I can link it, so go watch the video. But basically what I was thinking while watching this video is that at concerts, at things which are very creative, and at times like these, is when people actually come together without any ulterior motive. Because most things in life that we do, whether they're in a professional field, it's basically as we grow up in your 20s and 30s, most things that you do, or most environments you are in, professionally especially, we are all, or everyone's always trying to one up each other, whether it's about what you've accomplished in your professional life, what you've accomplished in your personal life, how much money you have, are you married, do you have kids, do you have a car, do you have this house, do you have that car, who's your partner, or are you the CEO of this place, or how high are you, where do you live, what's your address. We are all always trying to one up each other, but in creative fields like these is when people actually come together and they work as one, and people actually work in coordination without any ulterior motives. I'm sure there are a lot other opportunities and places where this happens which I'm not able to process right now, but like that's basically what I was thinking when I was watching this video, that it feels nice to not compete, to just exist, to celebrate, and to be together, and to be able to show that love to each other. It's increasingly become very less common. It's increasingly become a lot rarer, which is a sad thing, honestly. But yeah, it just feels nice, to think of the possibility of that existing. But yeah, love Ed Sheeran, obviously. I really want to go and see one of his concerts and attend that. I love music so much. And yeah, I am in London, the global hotspot for music over here. And especially for Ed Sheeran, he's from the UK itself, Ipswich, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, just wanted to record that very quickly. I don't know why I have spoken for 4 minutes almost on this thing. I just blabber a lot, but basically, yeah, that's my entire point. It feels nice to see love, to see hope of when people wrap their arms around someone they love, because they love them and you're just embracing them. When people come together, when strangers come together to celebrate, to create that energy in a massive stadium with 10,000, 100,000 people come together to create that moment, and you enjoy with strangers who you'll probably never meet again in your life, but you enjoy it with them. And that's the spirit of humanity, essentially. And that is what I really want to explore and really want to tap into. But yeah, enjoy this video. It's really nice.
'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. Yeah, you're making me feel like